Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherlyn. Today is gonna be another cooking video. And today I'm making like a cooking video a recipe that I got from HelloFresh. Yes, I ordered HelloFresh, and it's really good, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. The recipe calls for ground pork, but instead of ground pork, I use ground turkey, and it's really good. Let me show you guys how to make it. It's like a rice bowl, and yeah, come along. Okay, guys, so I already seasoned my ground turkey. I already seasoned it. I'm gonna show you guys what I season it with. So you want to use sesame oil because this gives it a really good taste, guys. I use seasoned salt, and I use what's it called? A bottle. I use pepper. I use pepper, and yeah, guys, so I'm just like stirring it up. I'm just stirring it up. Hopefully this will last us 2 days. 2 days for dinner. Some rice bowls. I'll show you guys how to make it. It's really good. So I bought some squash, because what you do is you put squash on top of it too. So I got some squash, and I'm about to cut these baby up. About to cut them up. Wow, this is cooking. So this is cooking right now. So in the meantime, where this is cooking, I'm gonna cook my squash. I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna wash it first. Make sure you wash your fruit. Your vegetables. Every time you have vegetables, make sure you wash it. Okay. After they are washed, I'm gonna cut them up. Okay, so you wanna slice them in like this size. Okay, you wanna do this size. You can take out the skin if you want to. I'll leave the skin. It's up to you. One drop. I think I got too much squash, y'all. I think that's gonna be enough. Yeah, because that looked like a lot of squash. So I might see this till tomorrow. But here's how it's looking. Yummy. There's my yummy squash. Now you're gonna put some oil in the pan, and you're gonna season it up, and you're gonna fry this. Then you go fry it. This is gonna be in the bowl. Okay, yummy, guys. So here it is cooking. Just letting it fry up. Yummy. It smells so good. I love squash. Love squash. dose of my new garlic powder because I love my garlic. Like, everything is better with garlic powder, guys. You have to have garlic in your food. It just makes your food taste so good. Stir that up. That way all the it can go everywhere. Yummy! It smells so good. So good, guys. So good. Oops, I'm gonna take that out. Yeah, you don't want that. You don't want that back. So, check that out. I didn't see that. Okay, so, yummy, yummy, yum, yum. I'm gonna let that cook down. And I'll be back to show you after it's done cooking what it looks like. My meat finished already. I'm about to show you what else you put in here. I'll be back. Yeah, guys, I got this recipe from HelloFresh. Me and my husband tried HelloFresh for 1 week. We really like HelloFresh. Only thing is, the food, it didn't last us a long time because like I need food for me and him and for lunch his next day. So the portions were kind of small. So but other than that, HelloFresh is really good. I learned like a whole lot of new recipes. This is one of the recipes that I learned from HelloFresh. So I do recommend HelloFresh to those who don't need like a lot of food, or if you do need a lot of food, you can put that. You need family for 4 people or for 5 people, but I didn't have that much money to keep like buying HelloFresh. So I do recommend HelloFresh. I do recommend it. Actually, my best friend Bianca, she introduced HelloFresh to me. My best friend, she still uses it. She loves it. She loves it. She did really good on HelloFresh too. She actually lost a lot of weight too. She's been working out and eating HelloFresh, and she's looking really good. So, yeah, guys, HelloFresh got some bomb recipes. They got some good recipes. So, I do recommend HelloFresh. It just wasn't for me and my price budget. I couldn't do it. I also got some recipe for some barbecue pork chops. So good. Oh, you know what? Let me turn the fan on. So the smoke alarm, come on. My smoke alarm is so sensitive, it don't play. So let me turn the fan on. Have a little fan I can turn on. Because my smoke alarm, well, beep, 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 beep. And I don't have my husband here because he's tall and he can reach the ceiling, and he's not here, so no, this cannot come on. Okay, so my squash is done. I'm about to turn it off. That way my smoke alarm won't come on. Let me turn it off right now because I do not want it to come on. It's already getting smoky in here. It's getting smoky. But so let me show you guys how the squash looks. It looks good, the squash. Hey guys, I totally forgot in the meat you want to add soy sauce. I totally forgot about the soy sauce. So you just want to put a little bit in there. I forgot about it. So there's my soy sauce. I don't want to add too much because it has a lot of salt. Okay, so after you cook I have my squash cooking right now. After you put your squash, you put your carrots. When you gonna fry your carrots, you'll put the carrots on top of the rice bowl. So Here's how my squash I'm looking at. Yummy. Looking nice and crispy. That's what I like. Yummy, yummy. Nice and crispy. And nice and crispy. That's how it's supposed to be looking. Okay. Oh, after everything's done, you're gonna add this on top. Your sriracha sauce. So yummy. I'll show you guys how everything looks when I'm done. Yeah, so here it is. I know it got a little bit crispy, but I like my food a little bit crispy. You probably don't. If you don't cook it too much. But here it is. Ooh! Ooh! Look at that, baby. Look at it. Ooh, look at it, look at it. It smells so good too, guys. Yummy. I love carrots. I think carrots are one of my favorites too. I love carrots. I love mushrooms. I love bell peppers. I love onions. Yes. Yes, guys. This is so good. Look at it. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Look at my squash, guys. Here how it's looking. Yummy. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn that down. Just go let it steam up a little bit. The final thing to do for this recipe is your rice. So the rice I use is called rice. Yes, it's easy, it's fast, it's good, it's yummy. Let me show you guys how to make this. It's super easy, guys. Super easy. Nobody got time to be doing rice every day, especially like sometimes my rice don't end up in the right way. You know, sometimes it be not cooked. Sometimes it's hard sometimes to make good rice. Sometimes now my mom she can make some rice. Like my mom, every time she make rice is bomb.com. Like she make the best rice. And it always come out perfect. Like my mom cooking is that's where I learned to cook, guys, from my mom. And I learned to bake from my dad-in-law. I learned to bake from my dad-in-law. So it's pretty cool. Okay, guys, let me get my water to make this rice. I'll be back. Okay, guys, this rice is super easy. Okay, so you see the cup, right? You do 1 cup of water, and I'm making 2 servings. I'm making 2 servings for me and my hubby. So after you put 1 cup of water, you put so type of this is freaking hard to come out. So you have to like pull that back and pull it at the same time. So now. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, hold on. Need some more. Ooh. Okay. So when you put 1 cup of water, you want to put 1 cup of rice. Super easy, guys. Super easy. For all my ladies who make rice on the time, Mexican rice and stuff, you do this box. Because you can also make Mexican rice with it. You can put tomato sauce, you can put your garlic powder, you can put your salt, you know, whatever. So yeah. So now I'm just stirring it up, you know, so make sure it goes in the water. Okay, so here it is. And I believe you. Let me see. 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. You wanna let it cook in the microwave for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. And after it cooked for 3 minutes, you wanna let it fluff for 5 minutes. So what I do is after it come out, I put a plate over it and let it sit for 5 minutes. But usually I let it sit for like 10 minutes or so because I want to make sure it's really cooked. So that's what I do. Usually I just use a lid, or you can use a plate. Just put it over it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes so your rice can fluff up. So easy, guys, how to make your rice. Okay, so my carrots are done. So I'm just alright. Carrots taste good. Carrots taste good. Okay, that's right. This is really good. I found out how to do this from my dad-in-law. He teach me how to do this. So yeah. Okay, so after everything, I'm gonna open my Sure sea sauce. I'm gonna open this that way. That's when it's time to eat. We can just go down to town. You know, everything ready for you. Don't have to open nothing and stuff. So, ooh, it smells spicy. I think one thing I'm beginning with this meal is green onions. Like if you want to put green onions on top. I actually forgot to get green onion. So that's only one thing I'm forgetting about this meal. So far everything is looking good. I'm about to probably take the carrots out. You know what, guys? Last time when I made this, I forgot to cook the carrots from HelloFresh. Because when HelloFresh gave me this recipe, I forgot to cook the carrots. So, it still tastes good. It still tastes good, but this time I actually cooked the carrots. So, it'd probably be better. Okay, guys, so the rice is done. Let me take it out. You want to make sure you have like a little mitten to take it out. It's going to be hot. Got my mitten. This is oh, be a long cooked dinner with me. So, if you guys don't like long videos, you know, maybe don't watch this one, because this one will be like a long cooking video. Okay, guys, so I took it out the microwave. Now I'm about to put this on top. So let me show you how to do how you do the rice. So I'm gonna let it sit for like 10 minutes because, like I said, I want to make sure it's really cooked. I want to make sure it really fluff up, you know. So let me sure. Okay, guys, see here how it's looking. It's out the microwave. As you can see, the water is gone. You see how it's like cooked. So what you want to do is let that sit for 5 minutes. But if you're like me, I let it sit for like 10 minutes. And yeah, and I leave this on. Don't take it off. You have to let it steam. Yes. And that is the instant white rice. Ready in 5 minutes. Okay guys, here's my rice and squash. Here's my meat. This is the rice. Yummy, yummy. This is the rice. It's all done. Here's the veggies. So here's what you're gonna do. Okay, go take some rice. Go take some rice. Go take some rice. I don't think I want that much. I don't really like that much rice. And then you're gonna take your meat. I think I'm gonna do 2 spoons. 2 spoons of the meat. Because the meat is yummy, guys. Okay. Now, you're gonna take some of your, take some of your squash. Take some of your carrot. Okay, I can't get the carrot. Okay. Take some of your carrot. And so, like that. Then, you're going to put your sriracha sauce on top. Ooh, I put too much. Ooh. There it is, guys. Here it is. Okay. Guys, the din din is done. Let me show you guys how it's looking. It's done. Yum yum. You can also put some sour cream on top if you want. But here it is, my recipe from HelloFresh. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try it at home. It's really good. Let me show you guys. Yummy. You see how that look? It's so good, guys. You want to try this at home? And you guys will love it. You guys will love this recipe. It's good. Got your vegetables, got your squash, got your meat. Yummy.